This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann.Davis. North End. Beautifully maintained jewel with updated baths and kitchen. 2 primary suites with laundry upstairs. Only 20 units. 2 blocks from beach, boardwalk, restaurants, church and country club. Outstanding patio for entertaining with built-in storage area. Also, southern exposure. 1 gate of only 2 to a beautiful pool. 2 ideal parking spaces. Ready for occupancy. Premier location. It is a lifestyle your style. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Davis at 757-422-2200.